too.
Yep, I think they're doing like a bike-a-thon or something, Sunday morning run.
Ah, okay. Oh, that's why it's closed.
Yep.
Yeah, more.
Smush them down in here.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, look at that unique building there straight ahead. New one, new construction.
Yeah, si mother nasa Ilocos na.
Enjoy the refreshing sweet flavors of San Miguel flavored beer, apple, lemon, and lychee with just the right beer balance.
Oo.
What? I saw ma'am.
Oh, maalala nila si... Di nila naalala nung bata sila eh.
But you have an apostrophe in between the two names.
Apple, lemon, and lychee. Drink responsibly. Ay, solusyon sa mataas na presyo.
Ay, mamya di... Ay, ay, ay. See, everybody working here even on Sunday.
Yep.
Busy, busy. But look at it, it's just busy. It's just busy hotel. A busy place.
That was either security or police with a rifle, but I don't know if they had bullets.
May bullets ba yung mga security, uncle? May bullets ba yung
I
mga...
was looking at the guns of security. I don't think they had bullets.
Wala?
Yung buong police lang.
Ah, my uncle said only the police.
That's what I thought. Yeah, security just had pistols, but there was no clips in them.
No, none.
So it was like a lot of weight for.
Well, it's the perception, Han.
Oh, okay, okay.
You have to be...
Okay, it's good perception, but I noticed some of them had the.
Look at this old Chinese house. It's just ruined there.
A baton.
Oh, wow. That is an old Chinese place.
Some of the security guards had like.
Look at that. Did you see that? Was that anak?
Some of the security guards had sticks. What is it?
Yeah, the sticks were check purses.
The stick are that's the batuta. The stick are that the palo puwet.
And now but on their purses, I noticed some had the police carry those heavy weighted batons. That's more work. You gotta hit somebody.
Oh,
So I
the
guess they're working on this facade with the blue hanging down.
I wonder if my blue marks are still there or the genders been there.
you can use this for your blue mark.
No.
Why not?
They're my new shoes and they're white.
Ito ang sikat na kunong araw, oh.
Ngayon hindi na, no?
Restaurant.
Hindi na. Hindi naman nila nilinis na.
Never. I'm never gonna do that to my shoes. No, I did them to my other shoes.
Ay, hello guys. Ayan. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Gilana, you wanna say hi? Ayan, just astig. Busy. Ayan, dito lang. Hello, Chai. Busy lang. Hindi na ako nakapagtrabaho. Batuta sa Pilipinas. Batuta. Ayan. Ayan, ikot-ikot muna tayo. Si Luca does the... Oh, si Luca the fountain. Shower. Fountain.
Whoa.
Shake. I used to go there too. Max. No, I want to go to my favorite Chinese restaurant, Emerald Garden. That's what.
Oh, this one's...
They have a good fried rice there, Jade.
Where?
In that Chinese restaurant I want. So they're building a new residence here, honey. So maybe that's...
No, it's back there, but...
Yeah. Palacio de Manila. Oh, okay. That's new.
It'd be enough.
Yeah.
A dog!
You found a dog, Jelana?
Yeah, a dog was that.
Yeah. Ang hirap lang mag-adjust sa oras. Punta na tayo sa Andalusia, Uncle. Masyado mahirap naman yan. Dolomitin na yan. Bala siya. Sa Andalusia. Oh, property owned by Wang Xiangxi. Wang Xiang, no trespassing.
They put one little squatter in there with the razor.
Yeah, I know that's the problem. Is like not many Filipino own a property anymore. Just owned by Chinese. This is Diamond Hotel, once a popular Diamond Hotel. And next to it is the Hyatt Hotel is brand new, I think. Yeah. Manila Bay, Sheraton. Oh, there's ambulance.